two options. Either you place a tile vertically or you place a tile horizontally. If you are placing a tile vertically, the number of ways to fill up this thing will depend on the number of ways you fill up this. That is I will depend on I minus 1. The number of ways to fill up from 0 to I will depend on the number of ways to fill up from 0 to I minus 1. If you are placing the tile vertically. Other option is you place the tile horizontally. We don't know if this part exists or not, so we cannot exceed I. So we are going to place a tile horizontally like this. If one is horizontal, everything below it has to be horizontal. That is, we'll be placing 5 tiles horizontally. Which positions it will occupy? This is I minus 1, this is I minus 2, this is I minus 3, and this is I minus 4. So now it will depend on how you can fill this up, which is nothing but 0 to I minus 5. And you guys are able to understand. So I depends on I minus 1 and I minus 5. What will I minus 1 depend on? I minus 1 will depend on I minus 2 and I minus 6. And I minus 5 will depend on I minus 5 will depend on I minus 6 and I minus 10. So do you see overlapping subproblems? So we have identified overlapping subproblems. Now proceed with DP state, followed by DP expression, followed by base condition, followed by table size, followed by time and space complexity, and so on.